Dear students, welcome to Medical Buddy online classes. This is Parmagala Narsimlu, your maths teacher at medicalbuddy.com. Today we are going to discuss about the elements of geometry from Unit 3 of your 9th class mathematics. The topics we are going to cover in this chapter are the introduction and the history of the geometry in part 1, definitions, axioms and postulates by Euclid in part 2, the equivalent version of Euclid's fifth postulate and the difference between the terms conjecture, theorem and axiom in part 3, the application of Euclidean geometry in part 4, the exercise 3.1 in part 5. Now let us see the first part, that is introduction and the history of the geometry. Children, look at the picture. What is there in the picture? Can you guess this? Yes, this is Durgam Cheruvu and cable bits on it, which is recently opened by the union ministers and state ministers. Do you know the length of this cable bridge? Yes, 233 meters. Can you say in feet? Okay, it is 764 feet. Children, did you see this school? Yes, this is Jilla Parishad High School, Kukatpalli. Observe this construction. Design. Yeah. What is this picture? This is Charminar, the symbol of Hyderabad. Can you guess this? Yes, these are the pyramids in Egypt. Can you guess this? Yes, this is Taj Mahal, the symbol for love. Children, do you know this temple? Yes, this is Brihadishwara temple, which is located at Tanjavuru, Tamil Nadu state. It is ancient temple. The Lord Shiva is there. Children, what is this picture? This is Medak Church. It is also very beautiful construction. Behind all these constructions, it is involved the mathematical concepts such as measurement, size, area, perimeter, volume, etc. Children, what do you say about these constructions? Yes, they are all having geometrical shapes, especially symmetrical shapes, which we have discussed in the earlier classes. Children, we also know that the geometry is widely used in daily life activities such as painting, handcrafts, elevation in buildings, elevation in temples, flowing and sowing of the seeds in fields, so that we can say that the life without geometry is unimaginable. To understand the geometrical principles involved in these constructions and the daily life activities, we should know the elements of the geometry and its application. Let us look into the learning objectives. Okay, children? By this lesson, you will be able to know the history of the geometry, and also you will able to understand the roots of geometry and different schools of thought that have developed the geometry. And you also compare the Euclidean geometry with modern geometry. Let us see the definition of geometry and its etymological meaning. Definition: geometry is a domain of mathematics which studies the shapes and sizes of structures. Children, see the adjacent figure which has a point, triangle, square, cylinder, etc. Now we will see the etymological meaning. The word geometry is a English word, but it is derived from Greek words. Geo means earth, metria means measure. So its meaning is a measurement of earth or measurement of land.